Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you facing the issue that your Cash App account number is not showing and you want to be able to fix it? Well, actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you need to do first is to just close your Cash App and instead you're going to open up your Settings app. So go into your Settings app and in here scroll down a little bit and click on General. And then scroll down in here again and click on storage. And by the way, if you're using an Android phone right now, then just find storage on your Android as well, because you should be able to go into settings and then you should be able to find storage in there as well. So just click on it and now you should be taken to a similar page to this. So we're just going to scroll down now in here and then we're going to click on Cash App and then you're going to click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App and here wait a couple of seconds and click here again, as you can see on the blue button. And by the way, don't worry, this will not out or should not log out your Cash App account. Just so you know, what will happen instead is that you will now automatically update your Cash App to the latest version. So if your account number is not showing, well then do this and make sure that you update your Cash App to the latest version, and you will do that. As you can see, it says installing here for me, and that means that it is auto updating to the latest version. I did this myself, then I went back into my Cash App and it worked for me. So I hope it will actually fix this problem for you as well.